magnificent A380.
Short.
Isn't that an impressive sight? Not the sort of normal departure one expects from an airliner, but it shows the flying control capabilities and performance of this A380. This particular aircraft is MSN-4, one of two Airbus development flight test A380s, powered by the Alliance GP7000 engine, each delivering about 70,000 pounds of thrust on takeoff. The 380 can also be powered by the Rolls-Royce Trent 900 turbofan. After a steep climb up to 1,500 feet, 180 knots, sharp turn back to run down the centre of the display line. Descending turn. The weather here yesterday when Pete Chandler was flying was absolutely disgusting, and he thoroughly enjoyed himself. Making his own cloud, the moisture was so high, he's making his own cloud on some of the turns. The A380 now approaching its 5th year of commercial service. Almost 80 A380s are in operation. The aircraft has a range of up to 8,500 nautical miles with a typical load of 525 passengers. The A380 program has won 253 firm orders from 19 airlines. Every day there's around 100 commercial A380 flights, and that takes the fleet to carrying 1 million